Do you know many people are having trouble with their Krups Nespresso Pixie XN3005 not drawing water from the tank? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Switch off machine. Switch off your Nespresso Pixie machine. You'll notice it will turn off automatically too for safety. Step 2. Reset machine settings. Reset to factory settings. Turn off the machine, press the Lungo button, and turn it on. Press hold the Espresso button, and switch it on again until water stops flowing. Step 3. Remove water tank. Remove the water tank, then close the lever. Make sure you have a container under the coffee outlet. Step 4. Assemble cup support. Remove the grid to assemble the cup support and the drip tray side by side. Clip the drip tray to the cup support. Step 5. Clean coffee outlet. With a damp cloth, clean the coffee outlet on a regular basis. Evade the use of harsh chemicals as they may damage the machine. With the steps mentioned, you should have rectified the water draw issue with your Krups Nespresso Pixie XN3005 coffee maker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Krups users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.